Hello, it's Peter Adams from Side Accounting Services. Thank you for taking the time to come and join us today. We're going to spend a few moments just looking at seeing how we can prepare our own personal cash flow statement. Once we've got the knack of doing this, we can then apply this into our own business if we have one. There's so many times that you can do a personal cash flow statement, and also at the same time it needs to be reviewed on a regular basis. So one of the things I like to do first of all is to take today's situation, prepare a personal cash flow statement based on my scenario today. I've got no goals, but the main thing is to see, once we've done this personal cash flow statement, to see if we've got any holes that need to be fixed. When I say holes, I basically mean where outflows exceed income. Once we've got that under control, then we're right, we can start looking at setting some goals. This instructional DVD is aimed at looking at setting up our personal cash flow statement. You don't need to be an Excel genius. All the formulas have been set up for you. All we need to do is put in the data. So let's begin by opening up our personal cash flow statement. You would have already got this either via email or as part of this booklet, which is on your DVD. So once we do it, let's go up to File and Save As. We're going to put this as the personal budget spreadsheet original. Right? We want to use this as an ongoing template as and when required. So let's click Save. Now the next stage, as you can see from the top of this worksheet, let's put in our own name. Okay. And next line down, we'll put in no goal, because we want to start to have a look at our situation as of today. Right. But no goal set, we'll go through and we'll start having a look to see what our income's like and what our expenses like. And as I said earlier, if we've got any areas that need cutting, this would be a good time to see how we go. As you can see from this front part of the worksheet, this is just a summary area. We don't put any numbers into any of these columns that are marked grey. We'll go down a little bit further, so go down, use your down arrow, page down, whatever's easier for you, so you get to the detail section. As you can see there's some instructions. What we're going to do today, right, is we're going to complete applicable areas. So first of all, this is worked on a January through to December period, right? You can change this anytime you like, right? Put in whatever 12 months you want. It can be January, it can be March, commencement period. So for the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to leave this January through to December. Okay. So let's go and have a look at the income section. I'll just bring this up a bit further. Right. Now, as you can see down here on the left-hand side, we've got the various wage and other income type categories. Right. You may need to rename some of those. So we might have there property, rental, income. I tend to leave that out and do that in a separate exercise. So I work on the basis that I like to ensure that the property rental areas are cash flow neutral, cash flow negative. So what we'll do in this instance, we'll just put those the rental income, that's the expenses, a little bit later in the Excel thing. So at the moment we've got wages and tips. How much do you earn a month? Well, let's put a number in, let's say $4,000. Now you're probably all aware of your copy function. What we're going to do is we're going to copy that over from January through to December. If you're not sure, what we did is we just see that little arrow at the corner there. We clicked on that and dragged it across the remaining months. As you can see there, we've got 4,000 a month there. In the far right hand column, 48,000 in total, which is an average of $4,000 a month. Now, interest income, depending on how much money you've got in the bank, you might get $10 here, $10 there, $10 there, 20, 15 and so forth. Just follow it through.